Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda CRV. We're talking about that generation from year 2012 to year 2016. If you have one of those, you need to find where the EPS fuse. This is the electronic power steering assist fuse, guys. This is practically the power steering. Stay with us, we'll explain which fuse you need to check. It could be two fuses, guys. Stay with us, we'll explain where they're located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we guys start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you have that generation Honda CRV from year 2012 to year 2016, we will make a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do that? To save you time and money. Let's say you need a fuel pump relay, fuse, heated seats, anything like that, guys, ignition coils, mass airflow sensor. All you have to do is just search for it, find it, look for a second, see where it's located, fix your problem. Because in the manual, often even the fuses are abbreviated and they're very vague and you may not know what it means, guys. But something else, guys. Here at the garage, we're constantly working on things, constantly fixing things. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have over 1.2 million subscribers, guys. We have videos that helped more than 350 million people, guys. So subscribe, check it out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now, another thing, guys, let us show you something. That Honda has some special fuses, guys. But even if you need to buy any fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, guys, okay, anything, you can see you have different kinds of relays, special fuses here. Okay, those are multi-block fuses. Like this one is 11 fuses integrated in ones. That's what they look like. Let us show you quick. That's the side view, 11 individual fuses in one. This is the top view, guys, of the fuses. You can see right here. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping as well. So let's start on it now. So now the EPS, guys, fuse, okay, this is known as electronic power assistant fuse. Where it's located, we'll demonstrate on 2015 Honda CRV. You guys have two different fuse boxes, but we'll start with the fuse box that's on the inside right here. And if you look on the driver's side under the dash, above the pedals in the left corner, all the way up there, you will see a fuse box layout that will look just like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here, guys, we'll need to check one fuse, then we need to go to a different fuse box. And we're talking specifically about fuse number 24, that 7.5 amp fuse here. Then you need to open the hood on your Honda CRV. Right here is your engine management fuse box. That cover here, open. You will see that fuse box layout here. This will be the front of the CRV. This is towards the windshield side. Here we need to check one fuse, guys. Okay, it's pretty big fuse, by the way. And if you look, guys, okay, at that fuse right here, that's a multi-block fuse that consists of 6 individual fuses. Let us show you what it looks like. This is the top view. This is the side view right here. If one of them burns, you have to replace the whole fuse box. That's the bad news. Good news, we will put the link in the description of the video below where you can buy it from at a good price and quick shipping. And here, guys, that first fuse, that 70 amp fuse, that's for the electronic power assistant, guys. Okay, right here, EPS fuse, 70 amp fuse. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.